Hi everybody, this is Lolly. We are at EnMart booth, which you may be familiar with me talking about, Pretty Twisted Craft Kits. Last year I came by and I stopped and I did a video about their mugs, which they have new designs. We'll get there in a minute. And I also sat down and did some needle felting and made a cute little heart that I shared with everybody. So we're here and Laura is going to show me what their new products are for this year.
Well, when it comes to needle felting, we have an advanced kit for those who want a little more than just our basic felting kit.
Right.
Comes with a few extra needles, some extra glue, and a bunch of extra felt.
Ah, it's very relaxing. I just want to tell you, it's something that's very relaxing.
Here's our, it comes in a very beautiful pie box.
It is really cute. Here's some other projects, kits that they sell as well. There's a little purse. Is that a notebook cover?
It's a iPad cover.
iPad cover. Pencil case, sort of. Little purse thing. Very cute.
Yeah. And then around the corner here we have our new mug kits.
New mug designs.
So we have a kaleidoscope. We have our flora and fauna nature. Our hearts. And our geometric city.
Okay, cool.
All of which still have the same concept as last year.
Colored in with their markers. Yep.
Still come with a full set of markers. Do not need to be heat cured. Can just color and drink right away.
Color and drink. And then there's some threads here. And I guess you could do the string art, right? Is that what you call it? String art.
And we do have some new string art kits this year.
That's good.
We went for an astrological theme.
Oh, okay.
So we'll
following her around this way. Sorry to make you dizzy. Here we go.
So we have them divided by signs.
Okay.
So you have your water, air,
I see.
earth, and fire. You get the designs for all three kits. And
see.
one set of pins and corks. But you can purchase the expansion kits.
Right.
Yes, exactly. You can purchase the expansion kits to make all three designs.
Okay, and there's the, I don't see, I'm getting really good light down there, but you can get the point there. And here's the other ones here. Here's the ones in this set.
And then here, I'll bring this up to you.
There you go. And so you can see one right here in real life. So that's pretty intense with all the colors on that. Gorgeous.
And we tried to keep them within the theme of the astrological signs.
Right. So, okay.
The other, we actually do have a sneak peek here. We have tote bags that come with the tote bag and the pre-cut design. You get 3 designs with each bag.
Okay.
Someone snagged my 3rd bag, but if you come back tomorrow, I'll have it. I'll have the 3rd one. It says "Eat more whole foods" with a donut.
Okay. So this is a kit?
Yes, it's a kit. It comes with the vinyl already cut out.
All right.
And you get all 3 designs with 1 bag. So all you have to do is iron it on.
Great. I love this too. I've hit guac bottom. That is really adorable. I love that saying, and it's glimmery. I don't know if you can tell that.
Yep.
Excuse me. It's very dry in here, folks. These are so adorable. Look at him. May I touch?
Oh, of course.
Look at him. He's just so chubby. He's just so chubby. Look at his little ears. So these are needle felting. Look at the little woolly sheep kit. Look at that. And this, how cute. The little brown bear. Look at him. He's got a scarf on there. Oh, he's so cute. We've got a snowy owl. Very, very cute. And this is what I'm working on now. I'm working on doing my earbud set that I got from them. So I'm working on that now. Was doing it over Christmas, so it's beautiful. And I got the purple one, so I'm looking forward to sharing that video when it's all completed.
Awesome.
What's on this side?
Friendship bracelet kit.
Friendship bracelets.
It comes with a pre-made bracelet and then everything you need to either make a second bracelet, a belt, a headband, or a keychain.
Oh,
or
nice.
a combination of both.
And guys,
instructions to make one.
Guess what? What is that, folks? It's the No Drama Llama string kit. My friends call me Lolly Llama.
Really?
The Lolly Llama. So very cute. And here are some of the bracelets that she was just talking about, the friendship bracelets. Okay, and here's some more of the earbud kits right here on display. I'm just trying to back up. What are these over here? The threads. What do you use these for?
Embroidery.
Oh, just embroidery. Good. Very, very cute. So there's another one of the other earbud things. I love that fox, and I just may have to splurge and buy him. Very cute. Thank you so much. Anything else that you wanted to point out while we're here?
No, just that all of our kits are completely inclusive, so it has everything that you need in the kit, except for the new vinyl kits, which obviously do not come with the iron. But you know,
okay,
just for bulk
perfect.
purposes.
All right.
But yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for stopping by.
And thank you, everyone, and thank you for stopping by and watching this. Are these, this is just something for...
this is our make and take.
It's your make and take. Okay, so these, she's just doing little notebooks. I may have to do that. Thank you so much, everybody.